Are you excited to know the name of this subdivision here in Iloilo City? Well, it is Park Regency subdivision located in Pavia, Iloilo. And I was invited to a house blessing by a homeowner in this subdivision. So let's see this beautiful house in front of us. The roof reveals the house distinctive multi-gabled roof finish with dark colored roof tiles. The roof design create multiple slopes and bridges, adding visual depth and character to the structure. Adding a large exterior balcony and terrace areas at the second floor, enclosed and protected by a stainless steel railing featuring horizontal bars. The portion of the facades including the balcony, roof overhangs, and exterior wall finishes with a combination of cream gray and dark accent colors reinforces the home's modern architectural style. Covered entrance canopy extends outward from the main structure, providing protection from the sun and rain. The gate features a contemporary design composed of horizontal steel members combined with polished stainless steel handles in accent. The fence and gate establish a strong first impression while providing security and privacy. The facades presents a balanced composition of windows, columns, and walk surfaces, giving home a clean and organized appearance. The door appears to be constructed from solid wood with a modern finish and also reveal contemporary door hardware including a deadbolt lock and a lever-style handle. The entryway reflects the home's overall modern design philosophy, combining functionality with clean aesthetics.
Hello, good afternoon! Ay, very swerte. We are invited sa isa ka house blessing. So, para makita nyo ang pinaka namin nga balay and ang ilang handa kung ano ka namin, masunod na ta. Jen, hi! Alam mga visitor, oh. Hi! 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 Wag ka cute sa ilo ba? Enjoy sila driving guys. Sari gali ang ato nga caterer. Ang tag-iya si Sir. Wow. Makauna na si Sir ha? Lechon namin. Lechon. Wow. Namit ang ilang mga foods. The best. Ano nga lang sang catering nyo, sir?
Cepeda.
Oh, guys, kung mangimangkot, kamo kung diin naging luto, kagin cater sa Cepeda Catering Services, diri sa my Park Regency. Diri lang kamo, sir, no? Okay. May nakita ako din nga gate nila cute. Pakita ko sa inyo. Butong-butong gate ba? Wow, close, open. Okay, nag-enjoy ako ba? So guys, try na natin i-enter ang ilang sulod balay.
The kitchen features modern modular cabinetry with a combination of light and dark finishes. Upper cabinets provide storage while maintaining a streamlined appearance. They also have a good choice of lights and decor.
Siyempre, may mga visitor sa blessings. So, ipakita natin ang mga beautiful faces, kag mga gwapo. Taga Manila sila, oh. Thank you for visiting Iloilo, ma'am. First time niyo, ma'am, Iloilo? Mga magaganda ito. Ma'am, taga saan kayo, ma'am? Tugigaraw? Mga taga-guraw. Tingnan niyo ang mga Tugigaraw beauties, oh. Tingnan niyo, oh. Lugi ang mga ilonggo, ah. mga mistisa. Mga mistisa sila, oh. First time niyo, ma'am, sa Iloilo? Hope ma-enjoy kayo, ma'am. Maglibot kayo, ma'am, sa mga namin. Nakapunta na kayo sa ibang namin dyan sa festival. Kagabi? Sige, ma'am. Kung may time kayo, anuhin nyo. Sige, mama. Enjoy kayo dito.
The dining area where a round table is situated and the atmosphere is warm and welcoming. Dining space is integrated with the surrounding living areas, promoting an open and social environment. The interior color palette consists primarily of neutral tones accented by wood finishes and decorative elements. Interior wall finishes are clean and minimalist, allowing the furniture art decor to become focal points. The spaces appear well illuminated and carefully arranged for both comfort and entertaining.
Guys, proceed na ako sa taas. And here we are. Hi, langga! And guys, ang muli ang terrace sa ilang beautiful house at of course ang beautiful background sa mga Park Regency houses. Tapos